In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Square Appointments account. First things first, let's navigate to the Square homepage. You can do this by typing Square's URL into your browser's address bar. Upon arriving at the site, you'll be greeted with a homepage filled with information about the various services Square offers to power your business, from payment processing to appointment scheduling. Now, to move forward, you will need to sign into your account. Look for the sign in link, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login page, where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is where you'll need your email address and password associated with your Square account. Carefully type in your email address in the designated field, followed by your password. Accuracy is key here to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your details correctly, hit the sign in button to access your Square dashboard. Upon signing in, you will find yourself on the Square dashboard. This is where all your business activities with Square are managed and monitored. The dashboard offers a comprehensive view of your business's performance, including sales, appointments, and more. It's a central hub for all your Square activities. Next, you'll want to locate your store name, which is displayed at the top right corner of the dashboard. Your store name is essentially a gateway to further customization and account settings. Click on your store name to unveil a drop-down menu packed with options. In the drop-down menu, find and click on Account Settings. This option will lead you to a page where you can manage many aspects of your Square account, including personal information, banking details, and more. However, we're here to specifically address the deletion of your Square Appointments account, so let's proceed accordingly. Once in the account settings, navigate to the My Business section. This area is dedicated to the broader business settings within your Square account. Here you'll find various pieces of information related to your business and how it interacts with Square's services. Inside the My Business section, you're going to want to click on About. This subsection provides insights into the fundamental aspects of your business identity on Square. It includes details like your business name, contact information, and location. Now for the crucial part, deactivating your business account with Square. Within the About section, you'll see an option to deactivate your business. This is a significant step as it leads towards the deletion of your Square Appointments account. It's essential to read any information provided carefully. Deactivating your business will affect how you interact with Square services, and it's important to understand the ramifications fully. Clicking on Deactivate Your Business will initiate the process to permanently delete your Square Appointments account. The system may ask you to confirm your decision or provide a reason for deactivation. It's a safeguard to ensure that you are making an informed choice and to gather feedback for Square's improvement. Remember, once you complete this process, your account will no longer be accessible and you'll lose all data associated with your Square Appointment service. Before deactivating, make sure to back up any vital information or client data you may need in the future. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to delete your Square Appointments account. It's a straightforward process, but one that requires careful consideration given the irreversible nature of account deletion. If you have any second thoughts or need further assistance, Square's customer support is available to help you through the process. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Whether you're moving on to a different service or taking your business in a new direction, we wish you every success on your journey.